In the QARC Content Browser, you will see something called the QARC Library. This is quite extensive, particularly doors and windows. Not to forget, lots of system families and annotations. So just like the QARC3, we have some items that we have made ourselves, such as some air conditioning units that are wall hosted or not. Anything that's wall hosted, by the way, you will see a lump of wall showing it being hosted. We may work on that and try to reduce the size or even the presence of the wall. We have a couple of fridges that we've done, some televisions, even a washing machine. Awnings. Over time we have built up all sorts of manner of awnings. Some are wall hosted, but most are just components that sit wherever you place them. Balances are things that you may not use much, but they're there anyway. We are going to be building up a lot of cabinetry over time. There's even a manhole. Now we have two sets of ceilings. One is roofs, I beg your pardon, for situations where it's just too hard to put a slope arrow on your ceiling. You bring these in, they are actually roofs, and if you hide roofs in your view, these will go as well. But they're quite helpful and useful. Then there's the normal ceilings, and you can see these. All of our system families come in looking flat, and you're seeing the top side in the main. Ceiling's a little hard to show on the underside though, so you won't see the colour of the white ceiling. Columns are fairly descriptive of what they are. And we have the usual suspects, and these are all parametric as you would expect. By the way, everything in the library is meant to render fully. If you find something doesn't, please tell us. Components model, it's pretty much what it says. They're model components that aren't anything else. So like an end cap on a stump, a chute inside of say a laundry chute or a vent. Decorative, things like veranda brackets. There are some component handrail panels that are just particularly special. A mesh screen. Shutters, just like a shutter panel. And sills, which are quite useful. All of these have to be wall hosted, otherwise they won't work. There's even one that cuts the wall as it places itself on it, such as this wall cutting sill hosted one. There's ones that just sit on it, and there's a couple here that are very useful. The brick sill that actually cuts the wall as part of placing it.